Sometimes you can try so hard at something. Sometimes you can be so prepared and still fail. And with every time you fail, it's painful. It causes sadness. And especially as I saw last night, it causes disappointment. I've often said a man's character is not judged after he celebrates a victory, but by what he does when his back is against the wall. So no matter how great the setback, how severe the failure, you never give up. You never give up. You pick yourself up, you brush yourself off, you push forward, you move on, you adapt, you overcome. That is what I believe.
I'm back.
What's up YouTube, this is Vijay Ansara back with the bang. 2 months later after my accident, I'm back onto the riding, and thank you very much to all my subscribers, my family, my friends. Your blessings is what got me here and my will to ride back. So thank you everyone, and special thanks to Mr. Abu Samuel. He's the one who made this possible and made me recover completely within 2.5 months. So physiotherapist by the profession and rider by the heart, thanks again to Mr. Abu Samuel. I hope nobody faces this problem, but if one needs, I will put the details of Abu Samuel in the description. He's the best physiotherapist I've come across. He's very frank, upfront, and thanks again. So my bike is back. I am back. So of course it requires a new set of gears. So I've done a lot of changes, new videos which are going to come soon. I'm going to let you know at the end of the video. So do stay tuned till the end of the video to understand what is new in my motorcycle. So yes, I got the new gears. The bike is full ready. It was in Highlander. They did a wonderful job. The insurance covered my motorcycle. I had the Oriental insurance, which helped me to cover everything, 100% bumper to bumper. So after a lot of research, I came to the decision of what gear suits my requirement of the commuting, and let me show you what it is. Here we go. I am back to the BBG, and the jacket I chose is Pity. So yes, I am back with this jacket, and I love the jacket. Probably I'll make a video, another video. This is way better than the Explorer which I had. So I love this, and again I chose the BBG gloves. Here they are. And yes, this time I have also chosen the shoes because my Pumas took a brunt and I never got a scratch, but I think I need a riding shoe, and I'm back with the riding shoe. So let me show you my riding shoes. I'm going to keep this down. Here you go. There you go. The beautiful shoes. The BBG. I wanted a half shoe which helps me because in day to day I can actually wear this in my office. I may be looking like a racer, but I don't care. Safety is important for me, so I'm going to wear these shoes. I wanted it black on black so nobody can realize it. Maybe I'll remove the sliders, but you know, for office I'll wear this. So thank you very much once again. Thanks to BBG for making gears which save. Please do understand that no gears would save you 100%. It is always 60-40. 60% the gear would save you, 40% you are going to get some injury. In my case, if it was a low slide where I'm just sliding with the motorcycle, the gear would have taken the brunt. But in this case, something very sharp hooked under my jacket and tore everything off. So it wasn't a slice. But yeah, I sustained the injury, but I'm back because I was wearing full gear. I don't care what people say. Trust me, if you are wearing gear, you are way better off than no gears. So since the bike is back, videos are back since Vijay Ansara is back. So next video is actually about a controversial topic, which is a gear shift indicator on the motorcycle. Many say that why do you need a gear shift indicator, but many need it. So I ended up, although I don't need it, I ended up making the best cheapest gear shift indicator which you can get for the older Dominars. And thanks to one of my friend called Atul, who had done the testing and I had the confidence to do it. So I'm not the one who invented it, but yes, I will be the one who will be showing you how to do it. So do stay tuned, do subscribe to my channel. Love your family, love your friends, love the bikerhood, and safety first. Make sure you spend some amount on your safety. Ciao. Bye bye.